Welcome back. Now it's time for us to go to our front page and bring out these pieces of footer and put our widgets that we have created for the footer. So if I go to the top, not on the front page, sorry, on the footer page. So this is the first section. So I will get rid of this. Maybe I will keep it for now if I need the markup. Then I have this another section which I can get rid of. And there's also a third section, which is this one, the length section with phone number and other stuff. So I will get rid of that as well. So I will cut paste this one later on. So let's go ahead and reference our sidebar. So here I will say PHP and close PHP and then say there's a function that we can call dynamic underscore sidebar. As soon as we do this, and then we have to pass the name of the sidebar that we want to show here. So the first sidebar that we want to show here is footer hyphen widget hyphen 1. That was the ID that we gave. So if we go here, so let's check the ID. So it's footer hyphen widget hyphen 1. That's the same we have to use here. So we have this. Same way we will say PHP dynamic underscore sidebar, and then we'll say footer hyphen widget hyphen 2. That's the ID, and the third one will of course be the similar. So we'll say PHP mark, and then we'll say dynamic underscore sidebar, and we will say footer hyphen widget hyphen 3. That's great. So we have these three sidebars. So if we go to our dashboard now, we don't have the widgets menu item here. Let's refresh. So here we have the widgets menu item now because we registered the widgets in functions PHP. So we will see the widgets now here. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and see. So we have here our main sidebar, and then we have widget 1, widget 2, widget 3. So in the widget 3, which is the extreme most, let's say this one, this section, I will just paste whatever I had copied from the last section. So we need to add a block. So what I want to do is custom HTML. So let me add that. So I will paste it here, whatever we copied. Next, I will close this. In the second one, I would like to have post, latest post. So that's something I will have in the second one. In the first one, I want to keep anything you want, you can keep recent post, gallery, header. You can even use any shortcodes if you want, or an image, anything that you want. So let me put here maybe I will just put this piece, the HTML, and this HTML that we had. So I will say Control A, Control X, and put it here. Paste it and update. We will not touch the main sidebar for now. That we will use it in our main pages. Sorry, in the pages and the blog post. So there we have our footer widget 1, which is showing custom markup HTML. Footer widget 2, where we are showing the latest posts. And this is footer widget 3, which we are showing the address and other stuff. Perfect. So this is how we can make our content now manageable from WordPress via widgets in our footer section. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.